Well, a few days ago only shared this render of Pixel 4 while Google themselves confirmed the leaks. So Pixel 4 will be unveiled in October and we are 4 months away from the launch event, and we already have an official image of the handset revealed by the OEM itself. And not only that, we have also a hands-on images of the handset. Not really surprised that we are getting Pixel 4 leaks month before the launch event, because this happened in the past. These images confirm the render. To be honest, it does not look as bad as the iPhone 11 cameras, but yeah, not a good looking either. Well, there is some interesting information as well. 9 to 5 Google is saying there is a source we're able to take a quick peek at the front of the handset as well, and they are saying is a giant forehead which houses dual camera on the front. And one good thing is the note here is that they will not have ridiculous bathtub of notch on the Pixel 4. I do not understand who designed this cap and how did Google even thought that this is good looking smartphone, but glad they learned this lesson. If they cannot code for a design like Galaxy S10 or OnePlus 7 Pro, then at least keep a normal tradition, a full-sized bezel on the top, and thankfully that's exactly what they are doing now. Well, now some people are speculating that Google is revealing the image of the handset so early because it's not actually the Pixel 4. They are tricking us. That's really a different looking device at the launch, which is totally BS. Look, Google is horrible in keeping the leaks at bay. Remember last year the Pixel 3 was the most leaked handset of all time. While the iPhone 11 will be unveiled in September and the Pixel 4 in October, so it would be easy to conclude that Google copied Apple design. To avoid such criticism, Google have to decide to say screw it. So at least they can claim that they does not copy Apple again, and they had to design in mind long before the iPhone launch. Anyway, let me know what you think about Pixel 4 in the comment section. I will catch you next video. Till then, goodbye.